In this video, I'll guide you through how to add chapters in Google Docs so your document is easier to read and navigate. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, or a long guide, adding chapters and a clickable table of contents can make a huge difference for you and your readers. Let's start by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in, then open your document from Google Drive or create a new blank document. Once your document is open, make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes. Now, to add chapters in a way that Google Docs understands, you don't just type bigger titles and make them bold. Instead, you apply heading styles to your chapter titles. This is what allows Google Docs to recognize those lines as chapters and use them to build a table of contents. First, click on the text that you want to treat as a chapter title. This might be something like Introduction, Chapter 1, or Conclusion. Highlight that line of text, then look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the drop-down that usually says Normal Text. Click on that, and you'll see options like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. For your main chapter titles, choose Heading 1. This tells Google Docs that these are the top-level sections of your document. If you have subsections inside a chapter, you can use Heading 2 or Heading 3 for those, but keep in mind that the main chapters should be consistent, all using Heading 1. After you change the style, you might notice the text size or font changes. If you want to adjust how your headings look, you can change the font, size, or color like normal. If you like that style and want all your Heading 1 titles to match, you can update the heading style based on your selection using the Style menu, so every Heading 1 will look the same automatically. Work your way through the document and apply heading styles to each chapter title. This might feel a bit repetitive, but it's important. The table of contents you'll create later depends entirely on these heading styles, so be sure every chapter title has the correct heading applied. Once your chapters are all set with headings, you're ready to create a navigation tool using the table of contents. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the very beginning of your document, on its own page, or just under the main title. Now, go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, look for Table of Contents. You'll see options for different styles, such as one with page numbers or one with blue links. Choose the style that works best for your document. Google Docs will instantly generate a table of contents based on the headings you applied to your chapter titles. Each entry in this table is clickable. That means you or your readers can click on a chapter name and jump straight to that section. If you make changes later, like adding new chapters or renaming titles, you can click on the table of contents and choose the refresh icon to update it. And that's all you need to add chapters and navigation in Google Docs. Apply heading styles to your chapter titles, then use Insert and Table of Contents to create an automatic clickable guide through your document.